gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I got in my October Ipsy and Boxycharm. Now, I already filmed the Ipsy thinking I was going to do that one by itself, but then I ended up not getting that video out in time, so now I'm just going to combine the two. So I'm not really sure how this is going to flow. We're going to see how it's going to go. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, so I managed to accidentally delete the footage of me unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag, which is just awesome, but I do have this photo of what I got, so I figured I would just go ahead and go over the items with you through this photo. So I have this Lovecraft Beauty black eyeliner. I did test it in the video and it was totally awesome. I'm really excited to have that. Then I got this Farrah eye brush. I guess it's like a blending brush or something like that. Not really sure, but it felt really good. I think I'm going to like that too. Then I got this M2U eye primer, which I'm super excited about because I was out of my eye primer. I needed a new one, so this one came at a perfect time. Then I got this Dermalect lip mask. Yeah, I'm not super excited about it, but I'll definitely give it a try. Then I got this, I don't know how you pronounce it, UI detoxing shampoo. Yeah, sure, I'll give that a try. Why not? It can't hurt. So this was my Ipsy Glam bag. Overall, I was pretty happy with it, and I'm not sure what I feel about the actual bag itself this month. It's a little freaky, a little scary, but it's not bad. So let's go ahead and jump into what I got in my Boxycharm. Okay guys, so woo! Here's my Boxycharm box. Got a little dented in the mail, whatever. Hopefully everything inside is fine. I'm not worried about the box being dented. Ooh, here we go guys. Here's a sneak-a-peeka. I do miss the foam they used to include in here. Now they include this instead of the foam. I'm really missing the foam, I'm just saying. Alright guys, they have a Boxycharm Spellbound is what it is this month. Ooh. Well, I got all kinds of fun stuff happening here. I'm not going to read that right now, but here's what's in my box, and I didn't tally anything up because I'm not prepared, but we're just going to jump into this thing. So what do we got? We got a Peel Adhesive Liquid Liner in Jet Black. So there's that, guys. Oh, can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Let me go ahead and pop this open. Adhesive liner. Oh, it's sealed. How about that? Do I probably have lashes in here or something? Why do I have adhesive liner? Okay, so here it is. Oh, I don't even know if you guys are going to see this. It wasn't even worth all that. I don't know. Here it is outside the packaging. Let me see something here, guys. I probably have lashes in. Oh, I do. All right, I don't wear lashes, but let's just see what happens. So the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner, the value for that product is $29. Wow, that's expensive. So here's the lashes, guys. Kamara, I don't know. Here you go. Here's the lashes. Will I wear these? I don't know. They're cute. I've never tried an adhesive liner. I can't wear the magnetic liner. I'm allergic to something that is in those things that makes them magnetic or whatever. I can't wear any of the magnetic liners because I'm allergic to something there. So maybe I can do this adhesive liner. We'll have to see. So these lashes, the value is $25 for the lashes. So I don't know, guys. Maybe I will give that a go. We'll have to see. But I'm just not very good at putting lashes on or the liner. So that's why I don't wear them. So what do we have here? TYNT. It's a brown brow gel. Okay. It's a lash and brow duo. Oh, it's got black mascara though. So I can use the mascara, but I can't use the gel. Why? Oh, I'm going to have to call them change my thing or something. But here it is, guys. I always get brown and I can't wear brown. I have black brows, so the brown doesn't work for me. But I can use the lash side. So maybe I will still keep this for myself because I will try out the lash stuff. But I don't know. Yeah. Okay. I'm all over the place, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just really not excited about that. So the value for that product is $29. Not bad. Whatever. All right. What is this? Tarte C Wink of H2O. So here it is inside the little packaging here. Let's pop this open. What is this supposed to do even? I don't know. All right, guys. Tarte Wink of H2O. It's just a wink of it, though. It's not going to be a lot. All right. Let's open it up. Oh. It's completely sealed, so I'm not going to open it because that would be silly because I don't even know if I'm going to use it. What is it for? Like an espresso shot for your under eyes. Oh, well, I will use this. So it's for your under eyes. All right. A vegan, skin-loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. All right, I'm down. The value of this product is $35. That is not bad. You get, it doesn't even say. Oh, here we go. 15 grams or 0.53 ounces in this container. Obviously, everything in Boxycharm is full-size products. Ooh, we got an Ace Beauty palette. Yes! Their palettes are so awesome. Falling for You Ace Beauty palette. That is exciting, guys. Now, I am very excited about getting this. Let's check out these colors. I think I might have saw someone else open this, and I was like, man, I hope I get that palette. And guess what, guys? I did. So here it is inside the packaging here. Hopefully that's not going off. Okay, yeah, because somebody's calling me, so I wasn't sure. But, oh, wow, is that pretty? You guys, I love these Ace Beauty palettes. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Yes, please. I mean, yes, 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 please. I am really excited about this. Okay, I'm super stoked to give this one a try. Oh, these colors are beautiful. That is exciting, guys. I'm very happy for getting the palette that kind of makes up for all the other stuff that I wasn't excited about. All right, so what's the value for this palette? $34.99. Very reasonable. Would totally pay that much for this palette. They're saying that it's a new launch. I have that Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette, and I absolutely love that one. I think it is absolutely fabulous. So let me go ahead and tally this up and let you guys know what the total value is for my box this month, and I will close this video out. Okay, guys, so sorry I wasn't prepared, but I rarely ever am. So, quick recap. I got the Tarte Wink of H2O. It's a collagen eye cream. The value of that was $35. I got the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. The value of that was $34.99. I got the TYNT Beauty Lash and Brow Duo. The value of that is $29. Then I got the Kamara Antique Beauty Mary Lash, and the value for that is $25. And I also got the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner, and the value for that product is $29. The total value for my box for the month of October is $153. I paid $25 a month for this. This is the Boxycharm base box. I know they increased some prices, but it didn't affect the base box, and that's the one that I get, and that's the one that I'm going to continue to get because I'm perfectly happy with my base box. I'm not really excited about the lash liner or the lashes because I really don't wear lashes, but I'm going to go ahead and give that a try. Normally I would give that away, but I think I'm going to go ahead and try that one because I've never tried an adhesive liner before, so let's just see how that goes for me. Maybe that will be the key to me being able to put on lashes. Maybe not. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all I got for you guys this time, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Okay, hold on. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. It's supposed to be quick. Try it again.